Hey, my name is Timothy Cortez, family man, writer, coach, and entrepreneur. This is a tutorial on how to run through my Notion action plan, which you may have already downloaded. If not, you can find it through my online store or newsletter for free. Don't worry about dropping a penny. So step one, if you have this plan in motion, you want to go to the top right corner where I'm putting my arrow right now to duplicate the plan. Duplicate it again because you want an extra copy to save for later in case you mess up on your action plan. Well, you may have already seen the cover page, which right here contains links to my business, website, newsletter, and main social media in case you want to look further into my products or my journey. Also, shamelessly plugging my affiliate links. Purchase through these links support me. Without further waste, let's dive into the action plan, which can be accessed with this page provided up here with all the arrows around it. You click on this red arrow right here, which says toggle to begin, and this will be the video which you are currently watching right now. Making our way down each of these toggles, it's a straightforward process. Each of these questions basically just ask you things about what your goals are. I put setting your SMART goals here, which is really important for an action plan. You want your goals to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. There's also some tasks and notes here to basically help you understand how each of these things would work. Now, creating an action plan is also covered in the vision plan, but this action plan comes with a database system for managing your goals. Also, an example action plan is laid here so you can kind of see how it works. You'll see the goal of the action plan, and then the timeline where they identified the steps and resources needed to finish their goal. And you'll see right here in your action plan, there are 3 goals. Each one comes with steps, resources, and timeline. And you can add more on as you want to go, for example, like that, adding your next step in your timeline. And you can do this for all 3 goals. Now let's see. The example action plan is laid out in full for completion, for inspiration, but I'll briefly go over how this works. You will use the first week in your timeline to identify the steps and your resources and your timeline to complete a goal. The steps will basically be the obstacles you'll have. And yes, you'll have obstacles. Obstacles are part of life. As long as you can work your way around these obstacles, you'll get by fine. Remember your SMART goals. Now, after you find your timeline, you will break down these goals into steps and further into daily tasks. And this is where the database system comes in. The database system below is found at the bottom of the action plan system. Let's go over how this system works. First, you will access the daily goal calendar below, which is what I'm currently on. And you will find the day that you're currently on, which is right now. There's nothing highlighted. Let's see. Right here, the 23rd. You type in a go. A page will pop up. So we'll type this on task 1. The date today, task says status not started. Don't worry about that. But the tag is important. You want to put what kind of go. So task 1, we'll say it's for go 1. And then we'll say right here, we'll put the command complete task 1 of week 1 timeline. And then we'll click off of it, and you'll see that task 1 has been added to the database system. Now, the database system is awesome because once you add the task here, it's added here. And you'll see task 1 is popped up in not started. This is also where you can manage your system. So say you started on task 1, you can put it here into progress. So you know it's currently being worked on. So say life gets in the way and you have to move away from your vision and action plan to go take care of life stuff. You can always come back to your action plan and remember where you are. You'll see your tasks that are done and you'll see your tasks that are in progress. And you also see the tasks that you haven't started yet. It's a really powerful system once you get used to it. And then the last tab is for all your goals. Essentially, as you get more goals and more tasks, they'll all be listed right here. And then you can eventually sort them. So right here, you can sort them by status. You sort them by the date they were started. You can even sort them by the goals. So if you want to see all your goals, all your tasks for go 1, go 2, go 3, you can do that too. So you see this is a very powerful system. The action plan comes with right here, the database system in itself. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope this tutorial was as helpful to you as it is for me. I hope the action plan is as helpful as the tutorial is as well. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, you can reach me at www.financialfamilyvalues.com or financialfamilyvalues@gmail.com. You all have a lovely day.